Action. Welcome. This is a site made of a Thrive Architect, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how I created this block right here, which is an interactive map. In fact, for the global, the world map, and for US is the state map, and these states are selected by me. And to get this, I had to use this website. I mean, this is basically, I got it through a client, and they have a whole bunch of demos out, especially for maps. You can have world maps and customize them. You have US maps you can customize. And this is where I kind of ended up. And to build my selected map, I just chose states from here like that. You know, if you just keep choosing them, it's going to keep coloring them. You can choose background color, selected colors, etc., etc., customize yourself. And in the end, they give you a big JavaScript and basically a huge HTML block to take with you. And this way, I actually build two of mine. My global one looks like this, and my US one looks like this. Okay, and to actually get them to work in here, I had to, edit the code a little bit, and that's what I'm going to show you, and also how I came up with this block. So let's get started. Okay, so we are at the back end. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to pages and find my global experience page, loading up the Thrive Architect editor. All right, now that it's loaded, this is what it looks like. I mean, basically, to get started, all I had to do, just go ahead and type in tab here. And this is the tab block. I just dragged and dropped in here. And once they are here, they come with some default content, which I deleted, from both. In fact, they had 3 of them. I, just deleted. Like, if you want to go in, you have to hit edit, and then now you get to edit every single block. I mean, there was this extra one I got rid of, and then here I put just the text that was necessary. I manipulated the icon here. If you click here, you'll see, show icon color, this, that, the other, everything can be changed. And in here, it is HTML content, right? So basically what happened was, I just cleared it up and then went back and just found custom HTML block, right? This custom HTML block, dragged and dropped. So that's where I got this. When I went in edit block, edit the HTML, this is where I pasted my map code, this, for the global, and this guy for the US map, right? But there was a catch. Once I pasted them in, I found some advertisement given to me by this company, where I got this chart from. And plus if you notice here, they actually come, what I was facing was, once I put in one, and this, and that shows up, the map just like this, let's say the global one. But as soon as I added the US one, one of them disappeared. And then I got look into this script here, and I found there is this ID here called map div, right? This ID map div, and all this JavaScript is being shown in this specific div. So what was happening when I added the US map, the ID got conflicted. So both of them were fighting over this same map div ID. So what I did, I went ahead and went under this one, and let's go up. Okay, so what I did, I went ahead and changed this ID to map div1, and correspondingly in here also, so that now the JavaScript knows the location should be different. They are no longer unique, right? And also to get this width, because they come with their own little specific pixel width. I had to go ahead and in here the style width, I instead of pixel width, I actually changed it to 100%. I used a percentage so that it actually fills up end to end from the container, right? So once that fills up, but I kept the height to 450 as is. And also I looked into here, and so that gave me the specific location and the width of the map, so that it looks perfect like this. When we change it, they both show up. And it was actually giving me some extra spaces and everything. So what I did in here, after I saved it, came back in here and went to position and layout and changed spaces here, made them 0, margin, whatever, and so that it fills up the whole screen, and there was no problem afterwards. And this switching was perfect, just like that. And both interactive maps showed up perfectly inside a Thrive Architect build page, just like this. And once again, just quickly, to get those demos, you have to go to this website and go to demos and go to maps and pick one and make your changes just like this. And if the background color, etc., you can change, customize right here, and hit copy HTML, and go ahead. And what I did, first of all, paste it in a text file like this. And one last thing to notice is that when you bring them on, it gives you one extra div right here. From here to here, this div does nothing but it's an advertisement, right? It gives you the URL, oh, visit us, do this, do that. So what I did, I just, before pasting it onto my Thrive Architect, I just removed this guy, so everything came normal. I mean, I don't see anything at the bottom, no extra links or no hanky-panky, right? And that's how it was done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.